Good morning, a Monday morning. What a crazy, insane day I have ahead today. Heading now to Petach Tikva and to Intelligo after that lunch at G'mS with a friend, followed by a meeting in Tel Aviv with Koby Menachemi, a serial entrepreneur, a good friend, just an awesome dude. After that, a headline media party with TechCrunch. This week, TechCrunch is in Israel for their event here in Tel Aviv, and Headline Media is throwing, I guess, the first party of the week. So that's tonight. It's going to be back to back all day long. Very excited about it. Here we go. Made it to Petach Tikva, to Intelligo. I got free parking. Free parking, that doesn't happen. Very excited about that. On a more serious note, I am actually quite nervous, and I don't get nervous about talks that I give, but I'm actually quite nervous about next week because I'm going to New York to give a commencement speech at Touro College. 2,700 people in the audience. 2,700. That is significantly larger than any audience I've ever spoken to in my life. I have the speech prepared. You know, I think it's a great speech, but yeah, pretty nervous. Just thought I should share that. So the talk that I'm giving at Touro, the message that I'm giving over to the students, hopefully, is that, you know, I don't have a computer science degree, don't code, not an engineer, and who am I to call Steve Wozniak a friend, Mark Andreessen a friend? So I kind of start off by saying, I guess it's a good icebreaker, by saying I'm a fake. And I'm saying, you know, I have imposter syndrome every day because logically, I should never have been able to do any of the things that I've done. But then I end off saying, you know, I was passionate about tech, passionate about writing, and I just started blogging many years ago, before blogging was a thing, and because I went all in on my passion and ignored all the business advice that everyone gave me, just went all in, that's how I achieved any form of success. I basically say to them, whatever it is you're passionate about, go all in on it and start right now. So it's a good message, but again, pretty freaking nervous. 2,700 people. That is a lot of people. All right, Petach Tikva is perfect this morning. You gotta check this out. Kid you not, what we get done in a 1.5 hour meeting at Intelligo every other Monday when I go into the office, let alone what we get done and all the other time we work together, but in that 1.5 hour meeting, the amount we get done is what I would say most people get done in 2 weeks. You get the most insane amount of productivity in that 1.5 hours. It's incredible. I always leave energized. Such a mega fan of this company. Love Shlomo, love Ari. Really quite honored to be working with them. That's how I feel. And now off to G'mS. Heading to G'mS now to meet a woman named Elke Moshel, who reached out. I'm not exactly sure how we connected, but she's trying to break into the tech marketing world and asked to meet, so we're meeting. Also an excuse to go to G'mS. Love me some G'mS. Got the best chopped liver in the country. The man himself. Woo!
Sorry.
A very spontaneous last-minute meeting on Rothchild, meeting Adam Kaplan, the CEO of Edgybees.com, super hot company in the drone space, and I'm late. Incredible meeting with Adam. This company, Edgybees.com, they're building AR for drones, signing deals with incredible companies, and trying to figure out how to say this without disclosing too much information. They're signing deals that cannot be talked about, but in insane numbers. And they just raised money 5 months ago. There are 13 people in the company. Watch this company, Edgybees.com. Waiting for my next meeting to come, Koby Menachemi, who is the CEO of CrossRider, sold the company, IPO'd the company, and now is building his next venture in the, well, actually I don't know what space it's in. Last I heard it was in the HR space, but I think they've evolved. In other news, I don't enjoy many things more than sitting on Rothchild, enjoying the air and people watching. The most chill place. I could sit here all day. Koby will be here in 5 though, so turning the camera off and getting ready for the meeting. Okay, just finished a 2-hour meeting with Koby Menachemi, and I talk often about how I twist people's arm to get on the vlog. He did not want to, and I love the guy and respect the guy too much to force him to do it. So we made a deal that there are no no's next time. The next time we meet, the guy's getting on the vlog. He agreed, but I love the guy too much to force him. So you'll have to wait for next time, because the guy is, I'm not going to use the word legend because I feel like that I use that word too much, but what he's done, I could count probably on a half a hand the amount of people in this country that have done what he's done. On all levels, and he's, again, perfect example of greatness and humility have an inverse correlation. He's a great person, great entrepreneur, great friend, zero ego. But anyway, now I'm going to TechCrunch at Headline Media headquarters, and it's going to be a late night. So a little context here. This is the first time TechCrunch is having a full day event here in Tel Aviv, and I believe tonight is the kickoff party with Headline Media, the top dogs in PR in Israel. And as far as I know, this is the first TechCrunch event of the week, and it's at their headquarters on the roof. So Mike and Daphne, the founders of Headline Media, are good friends. Awesome dudes, and they are the real deal when it comes to PR. And these guys are giving full service here at the parking lot.
Headline Media, baby. Let's go.
All right, you don't need to plug Headline. I plugged Headline already. Where am I going? That way. Thanks, guys. See you soon. So it's 5 minutes before the event starts, and there's already people packing in. It is totally sold out, like literally not room for one more person. And I'm excited to meet the TechCrunch team and some old friends, some new friends, and hang out with Mike and Daphne. The man himself, man of the hour. Who are you, man? Who are you? Tell me who you are.
John Elkins, Headline Media, big party tonight, summer party with TechCrunch.
Love it.
And Hillel Fuld.
So this is the one and only. You look very different back in the day when you interviewed me on TechCrunch, Startup Alley. This was, I think, 2000 and I want to say 12?
Yeah, 11,
Makes sense?
12, something
Wow.
like that.
Who are you?
I'm Jordan Crook.
The one and only. Yeah, you got
Jordan Crook.
That's what I'm talking about. So what do you cover on TechCrunch? How long have you been at TechCrunch?
I've been at TechCrunch since May 2011.
Amazing. So you were just starting back then?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was like, wow, the Jordan. Like I've been reading your stuff already for a long time. What do you cover and what are you smoking over there?
It's a jewel. I quit smoking 6
Love it.
months ago, so I'm living the healthy life.
Congrats. That's amazing.
I cover mostly consumer-facing technology and tech culture, but I also lead editorial programming of our events, like Disrupt.
Love it. Amazing. Well, so who's organizing the event? Like Leslie. We love it. We're big fans of Leslie. Okay, you've been in Israel several times, right?
Yes, this is my 3rd time back.
What do you think? One word. What do you think of Israeli tech?
I think top of the line. Is that one word?
Sold.
Yeah.
Enjoy. We'll catch you later. Good to see you. Thank you. Big fan. Jokes aside, because we're jokers. So putting that aside for 1 second, who are you?
I'm Mike
Bergman,
Bergman.
man.
I'll do it as serious as I can. Mike Bergman. I'm co-founder at Headline Media. PR and
Away from the music. Come here.
I'm Mike Bergman.
Yeah.
I'm co-founder at Headline Media, a PR and strategy firm here in Tel Aviv, working with some of the best companies in the ecosystem.
Period. Full stop. I mean,
full stop.
Real deal.
Across the ecosystem. Government, we're working with the Foreign Ministry, with the Ministry of Economy.
How many?
Israel Innovation Authority, about 45 clients, 50 clients in the
Love how
portfolio.
we're like a married couple. We finish each other's sentences. It's cute. Very cool, man. How long have Headline Media been around?
6.5 years. We're almost 40 strong, which
Incredible.
is unreal. Out of this ecosystem.
Off the top of your head, I put you on the spot every time. Give me some names.
We've worked with Wix, Iron Source, Lemonade, Argus, Autonomo, Solar Edge,
So period.
Similar Web.
Hottest companies in the tech. Period.
Yeah, we've been
That's
really
it.
fortunate.
I love it, man. Keep rocking.
Hello.
You know what I can do? Anything I can do to help you, always.
I appreciate
Brothers.
it.
And we got to go golfing. We're gonna do that. Only Headline Media can put together an event at this caliber. Who are you?
Hi.
What's your story? Give me your background. Hit me.
Slightly. We met when I was with Viola 12 years.
It was Carmel back then, right?
Carmel back then.
Right. So Carmel, now Viola's one of the hottest VCs, one of the best VCs in the country. You did marketing there?
Right.
Right? And now you're at Slidely. What is Slidely?
Slidely is the provider of promo. It's a video creation platform for small, medium businesses.
What's your
all over
website?
the world. Slide.ly.
Slide.ly. Love it. people that I can say are like real marketing legends that I knew before they were marketing legends, but Ron is one of them. I knew you before you were a hotshot. Is that true or is that not true?
Define hotshot.
All right, we'll talk about what you do now. How long do we know each other?
10 years?
It's pretty nuts. You had your own startup. You were doing your thing back in the day. One day,
All of a sudden,
I sent your resume to this small little company.
very small
little company called AppsFlyer. Now, how did I know AppsFlyer? By the way, I hope the microphone is able to filter out the music. I think it'll be okay.
Worst case, we'll do funny dub.
Yeah, it's true. We can do that. How did I know AppsFlyer? Because Oren, the CEO of AppsFlyer, was in the Microsoft Accelerator when I was the mentor there. He was, a startup. I knew he was a smart dude, but I had no idea what was to come. I sent Ron's CV into this company. They hired him as VP Marketing. This was how long ago?
4 years ago last week.
4 years ago last week. Tell me about the company now.
420 people, 15 offices, doing amazing stuff.
And total market dominance. Is that a fair statement?
It is.
Complete dominance. There's no one even like close to your dominance. In like one sentence, what does AppsFlyer do?
AppsFlyer is the mobile app measurement company, and we help advertisers, marketers, and basically every brand measure their marketing campaigns.
For mobile apps?
Yeah.
Specifically. Okay, so you say how many people work there now?
426.
Incredible. How many cities are you in?
We have 15 offices right now.
So crazy! What is happening? It's so crazy!
I don't know.
Dude, I remember like yesterday, he was sitting in the corner in the Microsoft Accelerator. It's unfreaking believable. But you know what I love more than anything? I'm serious. I love that you guys don't let it go to your head. And you guys are like down, no ego there. No ego at all. I love that. You guys talk about, do you talk publicly about how much money you raised, or is that?
Money raised, yes. We raised $86 million today.
$86 million.
Yeah.
Unfreaking believable. How many, give me like just a rough number of like how many brands, how many customers do you have? Rough estimate off the top of your head.
More than 12,000.
12,000, that is incredible, man.
Yeah.
You having a good time?
I'm having a
We
good
have an
time.
incredible team,
Yes.
incredible growth. Man, I'm watching from the side, and as we say in Yiddish, I'm shepping nachas.
What?
Yeah, you don't know the phrase?
How much did you drink?
I'm shepping nachas. I didn't drink anything. I'm driving home.
Shepping nachas means?
Nachat.
nachas.
I'm shepping
All
nachas.
right.
I'm getting nachat. Watching this, it's unbelievable, man.
Can I approach the camera?
Yes, please.
So this man.
Oh, all right. We're not doing that now. This is
What?
not-
Why?
All right. What are you going to say?
So this man is a legend.
Thank you.
And how do you say in Yiddish? The mensch.
I love it. Oh, you're playing the Yiddish game. I love
play the Yiddish
it.
game.
Bro, good luck with everything. Keep rocking. Keeping it real, like you are till today. It's amazing to see this growth and how you guys are just totally down to earth. Whereas other CEOs, without mentioning names, that are maybe, let's just say, embracing the success, you guys are just execution, head down, grow. I love it.
I tell
Keep
you
rocking.
something.
Yes.
Accepting your success is amazing, right? It's fantastic. Celebrate your growth and celebrate your success, but at the same time, be modest, be honest with your team, be transparent. Just keep on doing what you like to do.
Amen, brother. You happy?
I'm happy.
Having a great time? Yeah, I'm having the greatest time of my life, man. I'm doing what I love what I do. It's amazing.
Exactly.
All right, man.
That's
Go
awesome.
get something to drink. We'll talk again soon. By the way, it's been a couple of months since I droned from your headquarters, so it's time
It
to
is.
invite me back, my friend.
All right, you're invited.
Give Oren a big hug for me.
Peace.
An incredible event, but I would expect nothing else from Headline Media. Woo! They brought a whole bunch of TechCrunch writers this year, and the big event is Thursday. It's a full-day event. First time TechCrunch is doing a full-day event in Tel Aviv. Very, very exciting. And on that note, calling it a day. Tomorrow's Proof Day. See you then.